This simple looking Shopify store gets 124,000 visitors every single month, and they're making millions of dollars every year. Today we're going to go over 3 Shopify stores that make millions of dollars every single year, and we're going to look at strategies that you could use to copy them and ways that you could be successful with your store as well. The secret to being successful is just modeling success, modeling stores that have already had success and that are making millions. And by all means, if you model them, do what they're doing, take their pointers and implement that into your videos, you are going to be successful by all means. Guys, before we get started, if you love making money, I'm gonna ask you to do one little thing. It's just make that gray thumbs up button turn blue. For some reason, the YouTube algorithm likes it when that gray thumbs up button turns blue. We'll hop right into the video. So here's the first site right here. It's called Modern Beyond. Now, this site is getting so much traffic. They sell just different things like gray reverse hair darkening shampoo, antibacterial washing machine cleaner, a high pressure washer. So they sell just many different things, and they're just selling different things that people love to buy. Now, this site looks really simple, but guys, I'm gonna show you how much traffic they're getting. So if you go to similar web, you can see right here that modernbeyond.com is getting 124,000 visits within 1 month. So last month, they received 124,000 visits in May. Guys, that is absolutely crazy. Now, they're definitely making millions of dollars, and they know exactly which products people want to buy. So they have strategically put on here winning products, guys. So you could definitely come on here and just copy what they are doing. So if we go to this high pressure washer right here, they're selling it for $28. Now you could see a couple of things that they're doing right already. So the first thing you can see is they have this really huge add to cart button, and you cannot miss this button. If you're on this site and you're shopping, you'll know exactly which button to click in order to check out. Now, another thing that they are doing is this #1 bestseller tab right here, this #1 bestseller thing right here, just makes people want to buy this product in particular, because by all means, if you know that people are buying it, then you're going to be compelled to buy it as well. Now, here they're just doing so many things right, guys. This right here is a sale. They're telling you that you're getting a sale, right? So when you come onto a site and you see sale, you're not going to want to miss it. So by all means, you're going to click the add to cart button. So you're going to get lots more conversions, right? Another thing that they're doing is using GIFs. I don't know if you know, but when companies use videos or some sort of like moving graphic on their site, their conversion rate is much higher than normal. So using a GIF is a smart way to increase your sales as well. And then they have like a little description over here of the product, and you could see just what the product looks like up close. And they have more pictures, so they take advantage of visuals a lot, guys. And this right here is golden because you could see reviews of the product being used. When you see the photos of the product being used, guys, this is just extremely golden. When people come on here, they see that Pete G ordered this and he really liked it. Dennis L came on here and he really liked it. By all means, you're going to be feeling pretty safe to buy it as well, because you could see pictures of people using it and pictures of this product in people's houses. So there's lots of reviews that you could read just to feel more comfortable as a customer. Guys, you have to look at this from the customer's perspective. This site is just doing everything right. On to the next site, guys. Now, this site right here is an excellent example to copy. Now, This product in particular, they're called assertionbeauty.com. So assertionbeauty.com. This product right here is called the ultrasonic skin scrubber, and when you go on Google, you type in Assertion Beauty ultrasonic. When you type those 3 words in, Google gives you the suggested search terms, so it comes up as the ultrasonic skin scrubber. People are actively searching for this. This site looks extremely simple, just like the other one, guys. Just like the other one, but guess how much they are making? They are making $588,000 every single month. Now they have a video right here of the product being used, and they probably took this off of Amazon or something like that, and it's just a really low quality video. But guys, having this video increases your sales because people can see how this product is supposed to be used, right? And it just increases sales. And they have right here a section where you as the customer can put in your email address and then subscribe to their newsletter. This site is very smart. Literally all they're selling, I just want you guys to see this. This is their only product right here. This one right here, this is their only product, and they're selling it for $51. Okay, so if they're selling that for $51 and they're making $588,000 a month, let's see how many products they have to sell in order to get to that amount of profit. So they're selling about 11,000 of these every month, guys. So I'm guessing they're using a really marketing strategy to get customers onto this site, right? Because clearly that product is a winning product. They're focusing completely on it. When you come onto the site, that's the first thing you see. It says that they have free shipping worldwide, so they're definitely accepting all orders from all types of people. And they have a huge add to cart button, just like the other site. It is an excellent tool to use because you don't want them to be searching for how to buy the product. You want it to be very simple, very easy. This is an excellent site to copy, very simple, but they're making lots of money, guys. If you want to sign up for Shopify, the link is down in the description below. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, just smash the like button. And if you're still here deep into the video, I want you to type "make it rain" down in the comments below. Type "make it rain" down in the comments below. It's just nice knowing who is watching my video deep into the video. Okay, the next site we're going to look at is called Chaos. Now what they do is they sell custom phone cases. Okay, and as soon as you come onto the site, you feel comfortable. It looks professional, and guys, this is a Shopify site. This is a Shopify store. So when it comes to Shopify, you have a load of options. You can make it as beautiful as you want to. You can make it as colorful as you want to. And something that these people are taking advantage of is high quality, very high definition photos right here. So they just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high definition, very high quality photos in the background. So when you come on here, you can click shop, and they're selling a load of things, guys. Everything to do with your phones, tech and travel, handbags. They sell clutch bags, accessories, card holders. Guys, you could come on here, look at their products, and just copy them. Let's go to the iPhone cases. Guys, it's been really warm these past few days. So you can see right here that they're selling really good looking phone cases. Now, I don't know how they're making the designs on here, but they're probably getting a company to do it for them, and they're drop shipping. Again, guys, remember that all these products right here are being drop shipped, so they're not holding any inventory at all, which is a smart thing to do. You can see right here that this phone case is sold out, sold out, sold out. So they have a lot of phone cases that are sold out. So that tells you right there that people will actually buy this. So if you see anything that's sold out, guys, that means that it's probably one of their winning products. So you could copy them and try that on your site and see if it works. If it doesn't work, you try another. This is all about making moves and just testing things out. You want to test as many things out as possible. Now they have a beautiful customized card holder sticker right here, and another phone case. And within the phone case, guys, they have really nice packaging as well. And I want you to look at how expensive the phone cases are. It's 145 euros, starting from 145 euros. So by all means, they don't need that many customers in order to make a good amount of money, guys. And most likely when people come on here, they're gonna buy a number of things. Like if you see a phone case, you're probably gonna buy that. Maybe you might want a card holder as well. So they have a lot of options to buy. And guys, look at this. They have something here that says complete the look. So they're telling you that once you get this iPhone case, there are other products that you should get in order to complete your order. Now, this is a smart way to upsell your customers, guys. You don't want them just buying one thing. You want them to be inclined to buy a number of things. You can see many of the bigger sites do this, like Amazon does this, Fashion Nova does this. All of the bigger sites do this as well. So you could definitely copy them. Guys, if you want to learn about more ways to make money, I have some videos on my channel that teach ways that you could make money quite easily, guys. Money is pretty easy to make. You just have to do it. There's so many options out there that you could choose, and so many things that you could do. You just have to choose one and double down and just do it, guys. So if you want to check out some of my videos, make sure to check those out, and I will be extremely happy, guys. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thanks so much for watching the video, and we will catch you in the next one.